Hey y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my car. Let's go shopping inside Walmart. I have been seeing, spoiler, no surprise, TikToks, Instagram Reels, YouTube videos of some of the cutest summer, I'm talking beachy things at people's Walmarts. Now I came specifically to what we call the big Walmart in my town. I feel like we'll have better luck inventory wise here. Now to be fair, not every single video I've seen the person is plus size, so we may not have that great of luck, but I feel like it's worth a shot, right? I will link everything down below. My measurements are there as well. And let's go shopping. I was hoping they would have some new things. I was here, maybe not this one, maybe it was the other Walmart. Anyway, I was here not long ago. So I'm happy to report that I see new things like this color, gorgeous. Also in this pink corally color. I wonder if they, oh, I see a skirt back there. I was gonna say, I wonder if they have bottoms for these tops. I love that, but that's a size small and that's the color that I want, so that's a bummer. This one's cute though. We could try it on just for sizing purposes. This is an extra large. I also want to try this dress, so I'm hoping, yay, we'll take an extra large in this one too. That's just so pretty. This with little strappy sandals, white sneakers would be cute. I also love this style at the top. It's not smocking, it's accordion pleated looking, but it's very cute. Wait a minute, look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, and the straps are adjustable. That is adorable. Also, this little plaid, oh, I like those cutouts. That's very cute. Also, the dress version of the same print. This one doesn't have the cutouts. Okay, we're gonna take all of these, or these two outfits. I tried on something very similar to this. Remember in green at Old Navy recently? Y'all really liked it. This is very spring. Love the cut of this as well. Also this one, like a drop waist style dress. This is the brand Scoop. They also have it in black. Ooh, black could be nice if you're looking for something a little bit dressy. I kid you not, Free People vibes 1000%. I've seen this like a off-white, a lavender, not pink on the Free People website. This very similar looking top is like $100 at Free People. Oh, I don't see a price. We'll take one and try it on. They also have it in this white, which I kind of like. Or do we like the pink? This gauzy dress is Time and True brand. It's like a drop waist, but this is elastic, like smocking down here. I don't love the style of it, but y'all know I like a gauze dress. Ooh, that is pretty. That's like a pop of sunshine. These shorts are so cute. Look, you can cinch them in. They have the white, the denim, a darker denim, but I kind of like this green. Could be pretty with the white tank that I pulled. I saw these pants on a TikTok. I was hoping that they would have them in my size. It's no boundaries. I think they might go up to an extra large, but this is only an extra large. We're gonna take them for the sheer fact that they're meant to be a little bit baggy, so they might work. I didn't plan to come through the shoes so soon, but it's right on the other side of that no boundaries stuff. Y'all know what I want is a pair of those old school platform flip-flops, you know, from like the early 2000s. They're like this, some with rhinestones, some without, but they've got, you know, the wedge where they're like skinnier at the toe and they get thicker at the bottom. Okay, wait, those are cute. Okay, beachy stuff, this is what I'm talking about. Are you, oh, I'm not sure what that was, but how cute are these? I like these when I thought that they would be bigger. This is more like purse size versus this is like beach bag, but this is adorable. The blue with the red lobster. These are $26.97, No Boundaries brand. You can even get a little matching bucket hat. Oh, that is cute. And you can carry it like this. Here's what they have on this side over here. This blue is pretty. It's kind of baby shower vibes. This looks like a lunchbox a little bit. Then there's these mesh ones. This one I really like, surprisingly, right? I feel like that's what I would normally go for. Mesh tote, $8.97. I really like this. I don't own a hat, like a beachy hat that folds. Mine is more like this, where it can't really be folded into luggage. And I think I like this brown color. That's so pretty. They also have visors, bigger hats that I think that you could twist and turn to get them in your luggage if you needed to. But I think this one's so pretty. $12.97, I think. These things don't have prices on them, but I'm pretty sure that's the price. This is the section that I want. These with a little bit of different color variation I think are so pretty. Like this one I love. And then look at these little ones with the clips. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, I like that one too. Okay, so many cute things. I pulled these boxer shorts too. I know they're meant to be sleep shorts, but as a casual with this top could be really cute, maybe like over a swimsuit. I remember these used to be like $4. They're $9 or $10 now. I'm obsessed with this Free Assembly brand in a size extra large. Remember they had it in, what was the other color? Like the corally peach color. This is so cute. I love how flowy it is. It's a little bit short, but I feel like for summer that's fine. It's also slightly see-through, but again, for summer, like listen, I can look past all those things with pockets. This is an absolute yes. There it is, full length, by the way. So I'm between 5'8" and 5'9". I will be wearing little bike shorts underneath it, but I think this is so cute. Free assembly brand as well, both pieces in a size extra, extra large. I think I like this. I like this one better than the green one. Hold on, there you go. Better than the green one from Old Navy that I tried on. I don't know, the plaid maybe, and then it's a little bit darker. I think I like a little bit better. This is also more detail on the top. I mean, it's straight see-through, but it is what it is. The shoulder, the little sleeves tie, it ties here. This is a more fitted elastic band around here, buttons up, and then you've got the midi length skirt. I guess it could be maxi depending on how low you wear it. I'm wearing it pretty high right now. My belly button is here. It's very stretchy. Do I need this? Like, the longer that I'm wearing it, the more that I like it. It's not so much summery to me, it's more spring. But if you're looking for a cute little Easter outfit, then this could be it. The silhouette of this one is beautiful. Also free assembly in a size extra, extra large. I feel like free assembly is killing it for spring things. I am still wearing my bra, so I feel like this is a no bra, strapless bra type outfit. But I love the square neck, all of these embroidered flowers. I love that it's fitted here. Y'all know that's a favorite fit style of mine. More fitted here, a little bit flowy at the bottom. Oh my gosh, there's pockets. And it's a midi length dress. This is perfect for like a fancier Easter dress. It does zip up in the back and there's smocking, but I was able to just put it over my head. This is so pretty. I feel like very put together, very Southern, very church Eastery type outfit in this dress, but it's really pretty. Scoop brand tank in a size extra large. They didn't have any larger sizes in this color. They did in the pink, but ultimately I went with this really pretty white. I do like it. I feel like it's slightly, well, I guess not. It felt a little bit snug in the armpit. It is very see-through. These shorts are time and true in a size extra, extra large. Remember, they tie here. I feel like I'm giving safari vibes. I would like these shorts if they were a bright color. I'm talking like hot, like this, like a hot pink striped, a really pretty blue stripe. But I like the utility, like cargo-ish style of them. There's also elastic in the back. I think this entire outfit is a no, which is surprising because I really thought at least this tank would be a yes. You know what, let me put it on with the boxer shorts and then these shorts that these pants I brought in, and then we'll see how we feel about it. Joy Spun PJ, like boxer shorts in a size 2X. I like the stripe. They are very much like PJ looking shorts. So I think I'm gonna pass. I mean, I would sleep in them, but not for a wear out and about outfit that I had in mind with this top. I just can't believe I found this. Like, it's very much free people. So if you're looking for those dupes, I feel like this is perfect. These pants don't work either. Remember, these are no boundaries in a size extra large. They're meant to be like a flowy pant, so they're obviously too snug, but I like this striped look. Like, this is what I'm talking about. Bright colors, very summery. It's a purple with a hot pink, but it's not the outfit I'm looking for. So I think I'm gonna say no on the top two, but I do have one more top to show you. I just put my jeans back on for the t-shirt or the top version of that neon colored dress. Same size, extra, extra large, free assembly brand. This is way more like flowy than, or not really flowy, but fitted here, not so fitted here than the dress. I do like the blue color as well. This is very spring. Remember, they had a matching skirt for the neon yellow color. I'm sure they have something matching as well for the blue. I didn't see it here. I like the dress better than the shirt, but it is very cute with these light jeans. It got hot outside fast, y'all. It was like overcast 60s when I came in. I'm like, it's hot. Okay, I did make two purchases. I ended up buying that neon colored dress. No surprise, I love it. It was $34, which you knew that before I did because I put the screenshots from the website in. I feel like $34 is fair for that neon, like really pretty type dress that I'm looking for. Okay, but I also did buy this hat as well. I think this is so cute. Remember, they had the tan and white, this one, and then I think it was dark blue, but I feel like this one, are you joking? Because this is adorable. I don't have a hat that I can fold for luggage. Mine's like a harder type material. So I'm very, very happy. And this was $14.97. There's a little tie in here too, if your head's a little bit smaller, I guess, and you wanted to tie it a little bit tighter. But I think this is adorable. I'm so excited for this. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up, subscribe. I've already linked everything down below. They didn't have the kind of flip-flop sandal that I wanted, so I'm not too upset about that, but I can always come back and get the hair clips. I feel like those are so pretty. I have several beach bags. Again, not any that I can fold. Like if I were going somewhere where I needed a beach bag, like luggage-wise, and I were packing and traveling, then I can always come back and grab one. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next one. Goodbye.